So now let us work around with sequence questions inside of Adobe Captivate. To work with sequence questions, first of all, you have to go to slide right over here, and then you can go to content slide. And once you do that, you can see that sequence is an option right over here. So once you select sequence, you can see that you can choose the number of questions right here, and you can get it to be a survey or a pretest. So, but I'm going to go and make it graded right over here, and I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, you can see that it says arrange in sequence right over here. So I'm just going to say arrange in sequence these steps to open up MS Word, for example. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, go to start menu, and then search for MS Word icon, and then I want to add in the steps right over here. So I'm going to go around onto the quiz section right over here, and then I'm going to increase out the answer level. So I'm going to say 4. So search for MS Word right over here, search for MS Word icon, click on the icon, and then finally wait for MS Word to start. Alright, so I got a sequence right over here, as you can see. So let's see the quiz option. So over here the answer is 4, penalty is going to be -1, point says 10. That's fine. So as you can see right over here. So now you can see right over here, like there's a sequence and everything else. The answer type is going to be a drag and drop or a drop down. You can see that you have 2 choices right here. So let's see how it seems as a drag and drop right over here. So now let me just go to preview, and then I'm going to go to project preview right over here. And then once I do that, it saves the file, as you can see right over here. And once I press the play button right over here, now this actually comes up, as you can see right here. Go to start menu, wait for MS Word to start, and so forth. So what I can do is I can simply like drag this out right over here. So this is supposed to be in sequence, as you can see right here. The front letters don't change, as you can see right here. So now this is not in order, this has been randomized. So go to start menu is the first option right over here, and then search for MS Word icon, click on the icon, and then wait for MS Word to start. So once I press submit, now it says correct, and then you're able to get your result. The other option over here is that you can go from drag and drop to drop down as well, as you can see right here. So that displays the question in a different format. So if I were to press play right over here, so now let's see how that actually looks like. So now it looks like this. So now you have to select it out right here. So I'm going to say go to start menu, and then search for MS Word icon, click on the icon, and then wait for MS Word to start. So now it's a start menu, as you can see. So you can submit it out, and there you get the results. So it says I passed the quiz. So to set the pass percentage, you go to quiz, then quiz preferences right over here, and in quiz preferences you go on to quiz, and then on pass and fail you can set whether like certain percentage is pass or fail, just like that, and you can press OK right out there. And that's how you can use the sequence question inside of Adobe Captivate. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.